DJI has officially confirmed the launch of its new Osmo Action 6, set for November 18th, and this one looks like a serious upgrade. We're getting a larger 1.1-inch sensor, a new variable aperture lens, and a redesigned body that looks cleaner, tougher, and more professional. The starting price should be around $379 for the standard combo, with an adventure combo closer to $479. A few photos and videos have already surfaced online, so in this short video, I'll break down what to expect from the Action 6, starting with its new bigger sensor, which should deliver better image quality, especially in low light. In fact, the Action 6 is expected to have a slightly bigger sensor than the previous Action 5 Pro. That might not sound massive on paper, but it means more surface area for light, so better low light performance, richer detail, and cleaner shadows and highlights. This upgrade should give sharper detail in shadows, smoother color transitions, and less noise in tricky lighting. Imagine shooting at sunset or underwater. Those scenes should finally hold up without crushing blacks or losing color in the highlights point. Check this out. It's also supposed to have a variable aperture lens between f2 and f4, which it's the first time I see it on an action camera that gives you creative control depending on the lighting. Close it down to f4 on bright days to save your highlights, or open to f2 in darker environments for cleaner shots without bumping ISO. That's something I'd actually use a lot. Being able to control light like that on an action cam is huge. This could bring a cinematic look we haven't really seen in compact cameras before. The design has evolved too. It's a bit taller and slightly thicker than the Action 5 Pro, with sharper edges and a deeper lens housing that makes it look more solid. The finish is matte black now, no more red accents, giving it a cleaner, more cinematic, professional vibe. The battery door now slides sideways instead of upward, likely to improve cooling or water resistance, which also makes it easier to open with gloves. There are also small openings near the record button that could be vents or microphone ports. Either way, it feels like a smarter, more thought-out design overall. You'll also notice a chunkier lens frame, possibly to handle the larger sensor and better airflow. That extra thickness could help with heat dissipation during 8K recording, something GoPro users know is a common pain point. When it comes to stabilization, the Action 6 should take things up another level with RockSteady 4.0, DJI's latest digital stabilization system. That means even smoother, more stable shots. Even when filming in high resolutions like 4K 120 frames per second, or maybe even 8K, combine that with DJI's improved HDR processing and color science, and you're looking at footage that's not just steady, but also cleaner, more natural, and ready to share straight out of the camera. So no more spending hours trying to fix color or stabilization later during editing. But all that power means more heat to manage, and the Action 6 seems built for it. Inside there's a metallic frame that acts as a heat sink, helping it stay cool during long recordings. The slightly larger body probably helps too. It should also include 64 GB of internal storage, plus a microSD slot. Perfect for those times you forget your SD card. Battery capacity hasn't been revealed yet, but I'm expecting at least a 10 to 15% bump or better optimization thanks to a new chipset. It's also rumored to feature a more efficient power management system, meaning less overheating and longer run times, even at high bit rates. And I really hope they finally fix overheating, a very common problem among cameras this small. Pricing looks pretty reasonable. The standard combo should be around $379, while the adventure combo sits around $479. That's slightly above the Action 5 Pro, but still competitive with the GoPro Hero 13 and Insta360 Ace Pro 2. If the new sensor and aperture system deliver what they promise, it's a strong value for a flagship action camera, especially considering the amount of tech packed into something this small. And if DJI releases a Pro version later on, like they did with the Action 5, it'll likely target filmmakers and professional content creators looking for even higher bit rates or advanced color profiles. So yeah, the Osmo Action 6 looks like it could easily be the most capable action camera of 2025 and 2026. It's got everything creators have been asking for. better image quality, more control, and a true pro design. But what do you think? Could this actually be the one that finally beats GoPro? Let me know what you think down in the comments. I'll be testing it the moment it drops, so make sure you subscribe if you want to stay updated. But wait, did you know DJI is also about to release the Osmo Pocket 4? That one looks like another big upgrade. It's packed with features I didn't expect. Click here to watch it next.